heb heel lang in Londen gewoond, daar heb ik heel veel muziek geschreven. Maar ik ga beginnen met een nummer wat ik hier weer geschreven heb sinds ik weer terug ben in Amsterdam. Dat was ik 3 maanden in de Polanenstraat en toen herinner ik me nog in een kroeg hoe je al die mensen wat zeggen. Dat je denkt van, oh, dat kan ik gebruiken in een tekst. En dit was, if you're gonna fall, fall for me. Dat is een goede titel. No escaping destiny, being plain to see. Not much of an epiphany, slightly OTT. So biblical, so lyrical, our stories do entwine. Let's spend some time together and leave the past behind. In the sand, I like a guiding hand. Swap your hairbrush for a comb and play away from home. Why do you keep on moving at twice the speed of sound? There ain't no road to take you to higher ground. Driven by attraction, there's so much left to do. New horizons beckon and crossing borders too. Let's share the cost of living, let's change reality. As long as you're the one in charge, I'll be your deputy. Fall for me, you better fall for me, you better fall for me, you better fall for me. Ik zie een song over vriendin die had mental health issues. Her name is Babette. The song is called My Mad Girlfriend. My girlfriend is never at home. My crazy girlfriend likes to be on the road. fell on my pillow like a snowflake on a spade, melting all resistance when she's fast above me late. My crazy girlfriend, so hard to please. My girlfriend, always losing her keys, looking for direction and a way out of misery. She lost her faith and senses as he lost her memory. My crazy girlfriend, moon among stars. Mom and girlfriend, a life full of farce. Crippled by anxiety, depression every day. Medication doesn't aid, so she slowly faded away. My crazy girlfriend was never my wife. Mom and girlfriend, a life full of strife. Was never to blame. My crazy girlfriend, she drives me insane. She escaped her mental prison through a noose around her neck, like a fallen soldier in a war. My baby won't come back. My crazy girlfriend, beautiful tears. Mom and girlfriend, may she rest in peace. Mom and girlfriend, crazy girlfriend, may she rest in peace.